So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment privacy and security in online social media week 4th assignment 4. So the first question is recently there was a privacy policy change by WhatsApp. How did WhatsApp go about the situation? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is A. They notified the user with the revised policy and gave them a timeline to accept the policy. Now, the second question is how can you start the Jupyter notebook server without opening a browser? So, these are the option, and the answer of our second question is A. Jupyter notebook, no browser. Now, the third question is given below the following identify the correct option regarding Python list and Python numpy array. So, these are the list, and the answer of our question is A. First can be a Python list, whereas second can be a Python numpy array. Now the fourth question is what would be the output of the below code? This is the code and these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B. Now the fifth question is what is the problem statement of Latanya Sweeney's research work as discussed in the lecture? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is A. Given person specific field structure data produce a release of the data with scientific guarantees that the individual who are the subject of the data cannot be re-identified while the data remain practically useful. Now the sixth question is which of the following statement is are true about K anonymity. So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is A and B. Now the seventh question is what is the output of the following code? This is the code and the answer of our seventh question is C. Value error. Now the eighth question is what are the correct guideline to raise awareness about oversharing on social media? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is D, all of the above. Now the ninth question is what percentages of users never read the privacy policy on any website? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is D, 80%. Now the 10th question is with respect to the content and information provided by you, what is true about information sharing on WhatsApp? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is A. Your message, photos, and account information group you are connected to are not shared with Facebook. Now, the 11th question is among content, information, and transaction made with what data does WhatsApp collect? So, these are the option, and the answer of our 11th question is transactional information and device specific information when you install access WhatsApp service. Now, the 12th question is choose the correct option. So, these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is B, C, D. Now the 13th question is what type of the third parties with whom WhatsApp share the data? So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is A. Partners who use WhatsApp analytical service. Now the 14th question is WhatsApp does not store information about the duration of your activity. True or false? So the answer of our 14th question is B, false. Now the 15th question, what percent of participants were matched to their correct Facebook profiles in experiment 2? So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is C, 40%. Now the 16th question, photo video taken by CCTV camera is of more concern than someone's smartphone according to the participants in the context of mobile phone. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our 16th question is true. Now 17th question is in his experiment first discussed in the lecture, photos were collected from Instagram. True or false? So the answer of our 17th question is A. True. Now the 18th question is in experiment first discussed in the lecture for identifying the person from an unidentified source. Government and data dating website both were used. This statement is. So these are the option and the answer of our 18th question is B. False. Now the 19th question is for re-identification. Which of the following sources was used according to experiment 2 discussed in the lecture? So these are the option and the answer of our 19th question is B. Facebook. Now the 20th question is assume all the required libraries if any are already imported. What would be the output of the following code? Python set 2.7 plus. So these are the code and the answer of our 20th question is A. 2548. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.